csvwizard.com is because we wanted to make it so that we can do the same kind of thing for other softwares. Okay, so you can manipulate the data very quickly from any particular data source and get it in line with, let's say, Page Generator Pro or any other tool that you're looking to get your data set in line with. Okay, so if you are interested in the software, it's $27 a month. But it's free for any enterprise users. So if you're an enterprise user and you want to get access to it, there's only one user in the group that has access to it so far, and that was George. He got started with me early on it. Just the other day, he got first access. So if you are interested and you're an enterprise user, go ahead and message me at support@mass.page. And make sure you show that you are a registered enterprise user. We can also look you up as well. And we can get you access. The way you do that is you just go to app.csvwizard.com and you sign up. Hit the sign up link here. You put in your name, your email address, and your password, and you create an account. And then you just let me know inside the support@mass.page that you have an account, and we'll go ahead and get you upgraded for free. So you won't have to pay $27 a month. But if this is something you are interested in, you can go ahead and get it for yourself to support the project. So if I log into here, I'll show how this works. So basically, the reason why I built this is to create templates that take your master Excel file or CSV file and sort of your target file, okay? And it merges the data together, okay? So that you don't have to, and this could work with any master, okay? So if you have, a master that has, 40 different columns and it's all in a certain order and everything's named a certain way, right? You can set up that master, and then you can bring in the thing you want to pair it with, and it will remember that combination. And then every single time you open up this template and then you choose your template, okay, this is the format of this particular file, okay? So when I go ahead and bring in a file, okay, it's going to take and change whatever I have in this and match it up with what I have assigned the columns to be. So I will go to my downloads folder. And so far, I have not found anything that does quite this. I built it because I wanted it for what we do, and I figured it would be helpful for those that are building sites down the road. So with MassPage, being able to modify your data set or modify any kind of data that you're going into, let's say a Yive product or any kind of thing that uses a CSV to make dynamic mass pages or mass videos or mass anything, you have to get the data set up the right way. So I'm taking this format, which is different than this, right? And I'm going to upload it. I'm going to choose the file type, CSV. I'm not going to change the number of rows. I'm just going to leave that. I'm going to download it. Now what that's done is it took the secondary file and matched it up to the first file perfectly. Okay, so now I can import this into Leads Detective, which is one of our other products. Okay, so that's how we cleaned up the data to get it set for that. Now I also did like one for domain estimations. And so I can take something from a data set of domain estimations, prices of domains for another project we're working on. And it will automatically put everything in the right columns, rename it, and do everything like that. So it's a really good tool if you deal with databases and you're trying to do mass anything, and you want to get things in the right columns and the right names and all of that easily. Because once you do it once you match it once, you hit generate new and you start with your master file. And once you set this match up, you save that template. The next time you want to do that same combination again, you just call up the template and match up your target and hit save, and it all comes down. We have some new things that'll be coming out eventually with this, where you can do things in bulk. That's coming soon, and we'll be having it so you can convert in bulk XLS to CSV, and CSV to XLS. And we're looking for other ideas to do with CSV Wizard. But we want to make this tool for mass page builders, people that have to get things aligned for their data sets without having to manually change around their headings and their formats and all of that kind of stuff. We want to make it as easy as possible to do this. So again, it's app.csvwizard.com. We're not fully launching this. This is just for people who are watching this tonight, that you can go in and register. If you go to csvwizard.com, you'll see there's no page there because we haven't launched this yet officially to people. Okay, so you have access to it if you want it. If you want to get yourself in there, you can do that.